Guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a mini tutorial on this style that I have in my hair now.
Joanna, why you do me like Joanna?
I'm back. So I am starting with my hair out, as you guys can see. My edges are already done on this side. My edges around here are not done, but that's because you're not really going to see that, so I really don't care. But I did do a little bit of something to my edges. I'm not really great at doing edges, so I do what I do, that's all. But my hair is out right now, and you guys do stay tuned for another video, my next video on the lock update. I am currently almost 11 months locked, so I'll be hitting 1 year next month, so stay tuned for that video. Either way, let's get into the video, guys.
Hit you on BBM, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. Going off opiates, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit a nigga, say she the loneliest, cause it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, take you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up, we should be closer than friends. Open up, F-U-O-P-E-N. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up, need to reread our conversations got me contemplating. Contemplation over our situation. Open up, you OPN. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shutting down like a Macintosh. Open up, OPEN, OPEN. Cold as ice in a Coca-Cola. I open up, you OPN. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Let me know in the comments if you like this style, and you know, if you would do something different. Let me also know, guys, if you also create videos and if you have any style ideas. I do have a few styles that I tend to do, but I'm always looking for like something else new, a new style to do to my hair, because you always want to, sometimes I just want to change it up. So yeah, you guys, that is the style, and I'll have pictures again at the end, and I'll see you guys in the next video.